Visualizing sound is quite entertaining, so I created this open source tool to help make it easier for others to mess about with. In this video, I'll show you how to build and run the tool, and then create a spectrum visualizer. Before continuing, you'll need to have Git and Visual Studio installed. Both are free. I'll put links in the description. The next link in the description will take you to this GitHub repository. Here, click on the Open in Visual Studio button. That button opens Visual Studio with the repository's URL already plugged in to be cloned. You just need to pick a directory the code will go here and click Clone. And cue the elevator music. When that's done, and Visual Studio prompts you to switch to the solution view, do so. Finally, click on the green run arrow to build and run the application. Once it opens, we'll maximize it and create a new project. To create a simple spectrum visualizer, drop an audio source node to listen to the sound, a spectrum effect node to draw the effect, and a render target node to draw the effect onto. Wire them up, and now you've gotten started.